In this video, we'll look at both the volume preset buttons and dimming preset buttons in Facility View. Preset buttons give users a quick and easy way to raise or lower the volume and lighting levels for any audio zones or lighting zones within a venue. We'll start with the audio and then look at lighting. First, if your audio zones do not have volume preset levels enabled yet, you'll need to manually enable them, but note that admin or manager permissions are required to make any preset configurations. You can do this by selecting all audio zones, and then in the Facility View menu, click Presets. Now with the audio zones already selected, you can click Enable for each of the levels you intend to use. With that done, you can now drag each one to the desired volume level. Typically, there'll be zones in your facility with varying levels of ambient noise. For this reason, you'd most likely need to edit the levels for individual zones as well. Simply select each individual zone you need to edit levels for, and drag the sliders as needed. It's important to remember that when dragging the sliders, the current volume for any playing source will jump to wherever you move the slider. For this reason, it's best to adjust volume while physically present to hear the volume level and make changes accordingly. Now we'll look at lighting presets. Click the Lighting tab and choose whichever zones you're wanting to set dimming levels for. You can select all of them at once by clicking the Select button here. Similarly to the audio levels, you can click Enable and set the percentage for multiple zones, then select individual zones to set differing amounts. Now that the preset buttons are enabled, we'll test them out. I'll select this audio zone, choose a source, and then set the volume to loud, which we had set to 75%. Now for a lighting zone, I'll select this Corelux LED zone, choose a color, and then set to normal. Also note that the names of all volume and dimmer presets can be customized from the settings page within Creator. Finally, note that changing the preset level affects the preset buttons for all users, not just the user making the change. This concludes our video on volume and dimming preset levels. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more SAVI training videos.